An introduction to DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing is like solving a genetic puzzle, and it's one of the most exciting and powerful tools in modern science. Today, we'll dive deep into the techniques and applications of DNA sequencing. Every living organism on Earth is made up of DNA, a complex molecule that carries the instructions for life. DNA is like a book, and each chapter is made up of letters, also known as nucleotides. There are 4 different letters: A, C, G, and T. By reading the order of these letters, scientists can uncover the genetic code of an organism. The first DNA sequencing technique ever developed was the Sanger method. It uses a chemical reaction to read the sequence of nucleotides one at a time. Sanger sequencing revolutionized genetics, but it was time-consuming and expensive. Today, we have a faster and more affordable technique called next-generation sequencing, or NGS. This technique is like reading a book using multiple flashlights, allowing us to read millions of DNA fragments at the same time. Next-generation sequencing is a game-changer. It allows us to decode entire genomes in a matter of days, unlocking new insights into how organisms function and evolve. But DNA sequencing isn't just about reading genetic information. We can also edit it. One revolutionary technique is called CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR or Cas9 allows us to make precise cuts in the DNA, like a pair of scissors. We can then add or remove specific genetic information, creating organisms with desirable traits. Genetic engineering is changing the world in many ways. For example, scientists have created drought-resistant crops, disease-resistant livestock, and even glow-in-the-dark cats. But DNA sequencing isn't just for science fiction. It has practical applications too. In forensic science, DNA sequencing is used to solve crimes and identify suspects. By analyzing tiny amounts of DNA found at a crime scene, we can match it to a suspect or rule out innocent people. DNA sequencing has helped bring many criminals to justice. In medicine, DNA sequencing is also transforming healthcare. It allows doctors to diagnose genetic diseases and develop personalized treatments. By analyzing a patient's DNA, we can predict which treatments will work best for them and avoid those that won't. The possibilities are endless. As technology continues to advance, DNA sequencing will become even more powerful and transformative. We hope you enjoyed learning about DNA sequencing and its many applications. Try to imagine the possibilities. Who knows what new discoveries we'll make tomorrow? Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, Alpha Science Academy, for more exciting scientific content.